Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 4. Look dear students, here our today's topic is preposition and its exercise. Today we are going to discuss, and this is our lecture number 3 and SW number 3. Okay. Now please follow the board. Look here, at first you have to know what is preposition. Okay, look here, here you will get some pictures of here you will get a picture of a table and another picture which we can see here a chair. Okay, look here, the books are on the table, and in another sentence look here, the cat is under the chair. Now look dear students, here what is preposition? Okay, look here, on and under, both of these words are called preposition. Why? Because a preposition is a word often placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with another noun or pronoun or to some other word in a sentence. Okay, so what is preposition? A preposition is a word often placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with another noun or pronoun or to some other word in a sentence. Now I am going to give you another example, like she sat on a chair. Okay, here look here, on is an example of preposition. Okay, look, in the above sentence the word on shows the relationship between she and chair. Okay, why on is called here preposition? Because in this sentence the word on shows the relationship between she and chair. So on is preposition in the sentence. Okay, look here, now we'll learn some examples of preposition. Look here, words used as preposition: on, at, in, into, to, by, for, with, of, upon, under, before, after, from, over, beyond, against, above, up, among, between, etc. Okay, dear students, here all of these words are the example of preposition. Now I am going to give you some discussion about some preposition that when you will use like on, at, in, okay, or like against, before, after, okay, when you will use this, okay, then we will do some exercise. Here you will get some exercise. Look here, you will get some clues and you have to fill this gap by using these clues. Okay, dear students, before starting our this exercise, before starting to do this exercise, I am going to say something. We have to use in. In is used before a big place or time, and at before a small place or time. For example, he lives at Diana in Khulna, like this way. Okay, or another example, like he went there at 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay, look, if the preposition in is used before time, the article thus sits after the preposition in, but if at is used before time, the article the does not sit after the preposition at. Okay, now dear students, listen to me. Now I am going to say another example about when you will use above. Okay, when you will use like above, between, among. Okay, when you will use this preposition. Look dear students, between and among, between is used to indicate between two, and among is used to indicate more than two. Okay, divide the mangoes between the two boys is an example of it. Okay, like this way. So when we will use between is used to indicate between two things, and among is used to indicate more than two. Okay, now dear students, now I will say when we will use on, over. Okay, dear students, on is used to indicate the surface, the place, and over to indicate above, keeping space. Okay, and dear students, another thing is what? Beside. Okay, beside or besides. When we will use beside, beside is used to indicate at or by the side of, and besides to indicate in addition to. For example, he sat beside me. And another example of besides, like besides this pen, I have no other pens. Okay, like this way you will learn this. You will learn this preposition. Okay, now we will do this exercise. Look here, number A. Water has turned dash ice. Okay, dear students, water has turned dash ice. Here we will use into. We will write here into. Dear students, look, when we will use into, listen, in is used to indicate inside of something, but and its stability, but into to indicate entry or movement or to convert from. Okay. So water has turned dash ice. Here you will use what? Into. Water has turned into ice. Then look, he is going dash the mosque. Here you will write towards. He is going towards the mosque. Then number C. There is no quarrel dash him and her. Here you will write between. There is no quarrel between him and her. Okay. So look here, number D. He is the best dash us. He is the best among us. Okay. So what we have learned when we will use between and among? Between is used to indicate between two things. Okay, between two persons. At that time we will when we will compare two things or two persons, at that time we will use between. Okay, there is no quarrel between him and her, and when we will compare more than two persons, at that time we have to use among. Okay, he is the best among us. The number E. We worked dash the paddy field. Here we will use through. Okay, in that in this way. Here you have to write throw. The preposition here we will use throw. The number F, the umbrella. Here here A is missing. Look here, the umbrella is dash my head, over my head. Dear students, here on is used to indicate the surface, the place, and over to indicate above, keeping space. Okay, so here we will use over. The umbrella is over my head. Then number Z, the cat is dash the table. The cat is under the table. So under is an example of a preposition. Then number H, I am angry dash you. Here you will write with. I am angry with you. Number I, they told stories dash the campfire. Here you will write around. Then number J, the picture hangs dash my bed. Here you will write above. All of these words are the example of preposition. So like this way we will learn this at our home. Okay, all of you have to learn this at your home. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Please keep practicing this at your home. See you again in our next class, and we will learn or we will discuss about this topic elaborately in our next class. So see you again. Allah Hafiz.